Hi, I'm Dave from top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring the 10 best options for you every time. Let's talk about UltraVPN. Not one of the bigger names in the VPN industry, UltraVPN is a sort of run-of-the-mill option. It does a good job of providing quality service at affordable prices. In fact, the speed tests show that UltraVPN speeds are on par with some of the big dogs in VPNdom. By delivering that kind of speed and still charging considerably less than many of its competitors, UltraVPN sets itself apart. UltraVPN doesn't have a lot of the frills other VPN providers do, but where it does shine is in fast and affordable service. You can get good speeds for streaming, downloading, and internet browsing from anywhere in the world at a price that fits just about anyone's budget. When compared to more established VPN services, UltraVPN's server bank is a bit of a joke. It boasts 100 plus servers. Not much when stacked against the several thousand that others have. But UltraVPN maintains 100 plus locations with servers around the world, including multiple ones in North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. UltraVPN can be run on just about any standard desktop or mobile device. You can use devices with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS software. UltraVPN doesn't support Linux, gaming consoles, or smart TVs, but you can connect up to 5 devices with a single account. UltraVPN employs the military-grade 256-bit AES encryption technology. This is the industry standard for services that want to excel at privacy and protection. UltraVPN also uses a secure firewall to keep your identity secure. You'll be very happy to hear that UltraVPN supports torrenting and P2P file sharing. What's more, users can access all of their favorite Netflix content from anywhere in the world. In fact, almost half of the UltraVPN servers are located in North America, making Netflix a cinch to unblock. UltraVPN is known for having fast speeds, especially for a VPN service. You can stream, download, and just plain surf the internet without feeling the lag. A nice touch. UltraVPN also doesn't cap your bandwidth usage, so the sky's the limit. As mentioned, UltraVPN doesn't have a ton of bells and whistles. It keeps its product plain and simple, easy to use, fast, and cheap. Of course, there are a few sprinkles on top, like connections within a few seconds and sporting events access. UltraVPN also includes malware and phishing protection. UltraVPN keeps its pricing low, with plans starting at just $2.99 a month, and that's for an annual plan. Most VPN services make you sign 3-year contracts to get pricing like that. What's more, UltraVPN has affordable single-month pricing at $6.99. There's also a no-questions-asked 30-day money-back guarantee. UltraVPN has plenty of ways to get in touch if you have questions, comments, or need tech support. Reach out via phone or email to be in touch with a customer service rep. Alternatively, you can browse the help center on the site for DIY troubleshooting. UltraVPN states that it doesn't keep logs, but you won't find a word about it in the terms or privacy policies. Something's fishy. What's more, UltraVPN is owned by a joint UK and US corporation, both countries that have strict data retention obligations. You do the math. UltraVPN isn't anything to write home about. There aren't any outstanding features, logging policy is iffy, and supported software is limited, but the speeds are fast and the pricing plans are cheap. So if that's what you're looking for in a VPN, you're good to go with UltraVPN. I hope this video helped you decide whether UltraVPN is the right VPN for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.